Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I am doing a review on affordable Personi matte liquid lipstick. So before I start my video, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. So without further delay, let's get started. So today I am talking about very affordable matte liquid lipstick which is Personi. It is a really affordable brand and they have variety of shade in this range. So I have total 6 shades in this range and this lipstick don't have any number or name. It comes in transparent plastic packaging and the cap resembles the color of the product you get inside. Outer packaging look like this. It has written Personi Extreme Wear Transferproof Liquid Lipstick. The shelf life, ingredient list and quantity, nothing is mentioned in this lipstick. And the price of this lipstick is from 100 to 120. Different store have different prices. When you open it, you get a doe foot applicator which helps to glide it easily in your lips. In single swipe, you get a nice pigmentation which I like about it. You don't need to swipe it again and again. It dried quickly in few seconds and didn't smudge and transfer because it is a transfer proof lipstick as it say. When I put water over it, it didn't move or smudge. So it proves that it is a waterproof lipstick. The formula is light and it's non-sticky, and after it dry, it completely matte and don't move from its place until you remove it from a makeup remover. If you eat oily food, it comes off from inner lips and you have to reapply it. So the first shade which I have is a pretty neonish type of pink color which you have see here, and the second shade which I have is a dark red color which look like this, and the third shade which I have is a brownie pinky nude type of shade which I like the most, and the fourth shade which I have is a burnt orange shade which look like this, and the fifth shade which I have is a light orangey red shade, and the last shade which I have is a pretty pink color. It a mauvish kind of shade. So these are the all shade which I have in this Personi matte liquid lipstick. So overall I like this lipstick and the packaging is very cute and it looks similar to sugar liquid lipstick, and it is a nice matte liquid lipstick at this price for day-to-day purpose. But if you have dry lips, please skip it because it dry out your lips. But if you want to try out this matte lipstick, then please go for it. Just apply some lip balm before this lipstick and go for it. Only con of this lipstick is that it doesn't come with any particular name or number. So you didn't suggest anyone to any shade which you like, otherwise it's a most affordable liquid matte lipstick in Indian market. So hope you like my review on affordable Personi liquid matte lipstick. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you have any doubt and question regarding this all product, please comment below. I will sure answer your comment. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.